Yo, I'm Emonic. The studio is getting an upgrade. We're going from this to this. Yeah! One thing that I'm curious about with these panels is if they're actually gonna do anything, actually make a difference in the sound. They're a dense material. They're not like the squishy foam that you see in a lot of studios, but they're really thin. It's like less than half of an inch. Really digging the wall of instruments behind me. Anyway, what once was 12 pairs is now 24 pairs because truthfully, these don't need to be really big. They can hold up to 12 pounds each strip. Now I gotta take these out and figure out what kind of pattern I'm gonna put over there. I'm also thinking about putting some right there. Listen to what it's doing to my voice right now. Ayo, 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 ayo. Like it's doing something. At least they look cool, I think. Yeah! 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 This certainly is by no means like scientific or conclusive, but I would say they do help. I mean, there certainly is some type of acoustic absorption. Yeah! I made an executive decision. I only had 4 more left. So now I have 2 panels. I don't know what to do with these, and just 2 randomly on the wall would look strange. Maybe right there. Yeah, it's kind of just as I suspected. They look a little out of place. I just don't have a use for 2 random panels, and I wanted to make sure that that looked good. But this... Yeah! I took them down and I bought 6 more so I could put 4 there and then the other 4 on the other side where this is. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this now though. Not even sure if I'm going to stick with it. But speaking of sticking, I'm going to get the adhesive stuck to the back of the panels, finish this part of the build out. No more acoustic treatment. I have both of these up. We're good. Actually, it looked a little bit more like this. I have options now, which is good. I'm kind of sick of acoustic panels and acoustic treatment. As much as I love it, I'm on to the next thing. Like actually making music. How about that? That sounds good. Thanks for being here though. Go get something done, even if it's not making music. Positive movement. It's a good way to go. Peace.